fine as I could sew. I'd sew my woman to my side, down the road we'd go. Rove Riley Rove, Rove Riley Rove, Rove Riley, poor boy, he got nowhere to go. Where'd you get your whiskey? Where'd you get your dram? Got it from a bootlegger way down in Bootleg Town. Rove Riley Rove, Rove Riley Rove, Rove Riley, poor boy, got nowhere to go. A little bit of Rove Riley Rove. That's a song that's mostly been popularized by Bruce Molsky, I think. And some people have asked me to play that. I never had until just now. I found a couple of recordings for it on the internet. There's Thaddeus Willingham and there's Eustace Blevins. Eustace Blevins, Thaddeus Willingham, both recorded many years ago playing that song on the banjo. So I guess that's where Bruce got his version from, those recordings, I would guess. But I don't know for sure. Well, this is a really nice banjo. I'll go ahead and show you all the details on it. It's an Imperial model, apparently built by J.B. Schall out of Chicago, back before 1900. It's got a nice ebony fingerboard. It's in really good shape. This banjo's barely been played, barely been touched. It's got no use wear on it. Check out that head. That's probably the original head. You can see it's in very good shape. It's not stretched out. You got plenty of room on these J.B. Schall tension hooks to just tighten the head down over the years. So plenty of room on this head. Probably the original head hardly wore out. And this is the original tailpiece too, I've been told. Now that's not a J.B. Schall tailpiece, I don't think. I think that's patented by some other guy. I believe his name was Barrows or Barrows. And he's also patented this hardware in here. Maybe you guys can't see it, but there's a way to adjust the neck angle using this hardware. You can actually adjust the angle of the neck. And check out that heel cap. I've seen similar heel caps on J.B. Schall banjos. So this is definitely made in Chicago, almost certainly by J.B. Schall, but using some different patented stuff in here. And I'll show you the stamp. You know, he called it the Imperial model for some reason. See that on the light there? Imperial is what it says. But apparently these were made by J.B. Schall. Everything is original on this except the bridge, probably. The bridge is you know, these bridges don't last long on these things, but that's check out the way that the neck is cut there. That's kind of neat. That's not typical of Schall banjos either, for them to be cut that way. So that's slightly different. Really nice patent tuners. I should make sure you all get to see that. With the black celluloid buttons. Typical of late 19th century, early 20th century banjos. Just a real nice plain banjo. Sounds great. It's a little bit higher end than a lot of the ones. I want to show you guys these too. See those hex screws in there? On cheaper banjos, those are usually just slotted screws. On higher end banjos, you often see the hex screws like that. And these are actually nickel plated, it looks like. They're real shiny. So that's sort of indicative of a higher end instrument when you see those hex screws. Really nice instruments, in perfect condition. If it even needed any restoration work, it was restored. Real good banjo. Yeah, I guess that's all I want to show you on it. Done showed you everything. Maybe we'll do a quick swoop on it here. Nice J.B. Schall Imperial banjo. Okay, thanks for looking. I'll see y'all later.